Welcome back to my channel, guys. Excuse my no makeup face, but I've been letting my hair get on the yellow side. Ever since I bleached it, I've only used regular shampoo, no purple shampoo. So I really wanted to do that to test out this Fanola no yellow shampoo. This is a purple shampoo which has a very deep, intense pigment that helps counteract against yellow or warm tones in your hair. Now I'm only going to apply it to half of my hair, and as you can see here, it's super purple. The longer you leave it in, it's possible to have a purple tint. That's something that I'm not afraid of. I actually like it. But if you don't want that, you don't want to leave it in for that long. I'm just going to test it out for 5 minutes. I only put it to my roots, and then after the 5 minutes was up, I ran it through the rest of my hair and I left it in for maybe another 2 minutes. So this is just going to really help make your hair white, silver, gray, what have you, and you don't want it to be yellow or blonde. Call it what you will. So after letting it sit in my hair, I'm going to wash it out. So the one side that I didn't use the purple shampoo, I'm going to use their NutriCare line. This is the restructuring shampoo, and then the NutriCare conditioner, which I'll run throughout all my hair. So this is freshly washed hair. As you can see, the left side is definitely more of a silver gray tone, and it has calmed down my roots a little bit. I'm the type that waits too long to bleach my hair, so no matter what, I always have a yellow band. The purple shampoo really won't help with that. It's only gonna work with the hair that's really pre-lightened. So here's definitely, you can see the difference of how yellow one side is and how white and gray and silver. This is me dry hair. Guys, it's so unflattering for me to be parting my hair down the middle. But I've got to show you guys the comparison. So you can definitely see, just me even trying to part it, how yellow one side is from the other. I definitely love these shampoos, not only because it's helping my hair not be so yellow, but it definitely helps it make it so shiny, so much stronger and healthier. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.